Let's go for a weekend bike ride with Uniqlo! We took our bikes for a ride around this awesome neighborhood wearing the new colors of Uniqlo Sport Utility Wear. The Dry EX t-shirt, Dry EX UV Protection Full Zip Hoodie, and Pocketable UV Protection Parka. These Uniqlo pieces kept us cool, protected from the sun, and looking good on our bicycles.
My Dry EX shirt is very breathable. Lalo na pag nagbabike, it feels very light. I like the parka kasi kapag nagbabike ka, protection siya from UV rays.
Of course, meron kasi siyang UPF 50+.
I love yung new colors nila. Light gray pati light green. Ang saya pa rin gamitin while cycling.
Mas masaya na mas maraming new colors kasi mas marami kang options to choose from.
They're really cute. I like blue. It's like not as matingkad as I thought. It fits like everyday wear.
I super love this off-white. You know, I can easily pair it with anything like neutrals, pastel.
All I can say is I love it.
Sobrang comfy niya gamitin. Hindi ko na-feel yung araw dahil sa parka ko. Timeless, so alam kong magtatagal to sa akin.
Kahit na long sleeve siya, yung hangin pumapasok sa loob nung tela pag nagbabike.
I got a new Dry EX UV Protection Hoodie and a Dry EX shirt. I like that there are new colors now so I can be more stylish and I can use it for biking because it's very comfortable. Let's go!